Hey guys, back with another reaction, and I do apologize about the delay from part one and part two of the monthly covers reactions. And yeah, it's because I had to deal with like a lot of personal things. I was really busy the last few days, so yeah, so I do apologize about that. But I'm here now with part two, and I will link part one in the comments where I have an update there, like where I do mention about the channel and stuff about my situation. And if you want, you can go check that out. And anyways, yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this since it's been like a week. Let's go. Oh, starting off with Soy Says King. Why is it so loud on my end? I love King, bruh. One of the few things I know how. What? One of the few songs I know how to sing in JP. Oh! Idol, another Idol cover. Who else did Idol cover? I know it's like somewhere along this list. I didn't know Xion did one. That's pretty new too, right? Yeah. Well, not anymore, but like it's been a month. But yeah. Who else did Idol cover? Oh well. Oh my. All right. There's a lot of these what's it called? The song is called something wind, strong wind something. A lot of covers of this. I really want to learn the recorder part. Monster at 15. This group is so good. Like I want to see more of them. Oh wow, they're down here? Oh no, they're not in the top 10. Well, it has been quite a long time. And this is around, I think, one of the first covers I've ever heard. I think Error was my first, but I don't know. But this was like soon after I got into the rabbit hole. Oh, that fits. Ollie's version. Hey, by the way, that last song seems like a really fun song to cover. Kobo's Overdose song cover is my favorite Overdose cover. Oh, another Idol cover? Wow. Well, I'm not even surprised. Oshinoko just ended with season 1, season 1 just ended, right? I only watched episode 1, and then I don't know why I just never continued it. So yeah. Alright, it's because I had to watch it on like some other site instead of Crunchyroll, so like that was kinda annoying to do with all the pop-up ads and stuff. Oh, really? Wait, I didn't even know this. Really? Her eyes are aquas and rubies? Yeah, took me a minute. Come on, let me see. I want to see. Oh, wait, that was transition. I didn't even know that. Oh, I didn't even notice the transition. Oh my god, it's Coyote. She did one too. Strong Wind and Idol are quite popular in covers, huh? That was such a smooth transition. Jesus. Ooh. Laplace and Kanata. Ooh. So many new songs in the last month, huh? Ooh, I should probably fix the title for the last one just to make it more accurate, like June. I'm pretty sure this is June, right? I remember this from the last one. Honestly, this might... I don't think it exactly overtakes Error for my favorite Toa cover, but I think this is a close second. I love this song so much.
Our groceries are always fresh.
Ad, I can't skip this.
Safeway and Sobeys, just like that.
Oh, what is this? It's Soisei's voice. What is this? Oh, I've never heard the full songs. I never heard that cut before, huh? Oh, I thought my mic was just DC'd again. Hey. Another one, let's go. Matsuris. How many is this now? Like, is this the 5th one? How many do we have? Wait. Oh, nah, my memory's not up to this particularly. God. Oh! Mori did cover? Hey. You know, one thing I really like about this song is that it literally explains the entire first episode. It's like a little summary. Well, from Ai's perspective. Oh wait, Tony's not number 1? Hold on. It's nonetheless it's number 4? Wait, what's top 3 then? It's still going strong though. This is crazy. Since 2021. Late 2021. Oh, wow. Idol. Kanata. Oh my god. Okay, is the number 1 going to be Idol or a Strong Wind cover? Was there any Fubuki's, right? Fubuki also did a cover of, I think. So that might be number 1. Or it might be another Idol, I don't know. Or completely random, I don't know. Yeah, there we go. It's Fubuki's. Oh my god, the amount of Idol and what I'm looking at. Idol and Strong Wind covers, Jesus. I think this is the first time I predicted the number 1, didn't I? Every time I usually like 1 off or something. Hey. I love this recorder part, it's just so catchy. Hey. And that was part 2, let's go. Wait, is that another one for July? Wait, no, that's 100. Oh god. I should check that out sometime. Oh right, oh Zom, oh wait, yeah, Zom episode 2 is out. Oh wait, that's completely off topic, but nice. And yeah, that was part 2, and I'll link the original video in the description along with the Discord server, so if you want to come hang out. I might honestly do a watch along for any One Piece fans out there want to watch the Gear 5 episode. 2 weeks, I think, right? I think 2 weeks from now, yeah. Ooh, I am so hyped. Oh god. Yeah, Gear 5 been hyped up for an entire year, so that's pretty insane. So yeah, with that done, we finished the top 50 of July, and I'll probably do a Hollow Stars video after this. You know what? I think I have time, right? Yeah, I have time. Yeah. So yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll link the part one in the comments. So if you want to go check that out, if you can, and I'll also should I for the VTuber songs request, should I put it in the comments as well, or I don't know. I'll probably put it in the comments. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time, and sayonara.